birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me, yeah. And I'm feeling good.
Happy 18th, baby ko! Stepping into adulthood is a significant milestone, and this would be the start of our new journey. Kasi 18 na tayo eh.
I guess you'd say, what can make me feel this way? My girl, talking about my girl. I've got so much honey.
Happy birthday, Ate Sumi. Thank you for always there with me. I'm wishing you a fabulous and wonderful birthday as you are. Thank you for being my comfort person. I love you. Wish ko po, sana maging masaya ka po sa buhay mo and make right decision for yourself. Yun lang po. Thank you. I love you, Ate.
Happy birthday, Asome. Sana maging maayos yung buhay mo, tsaka yung pag-aaral mo, makatapos ka. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Naging nasama tayo lahat kayo. Naging mabuti, naging mabait kayo lahat.
Happy Legality Agreement. I am thankful that I am a part of one of the most important events in your life. Classes na tara from grade 1 to grade 6. Hindi pa talaga naging score that I really want to I wish you the best in life, health, and in a future future on the course. I believe that you will excel in life. Kung kaya ako nagtulong kaya ako nandito. Wala ako, just want to laway ganun. As you grow this candle, wish you happy, healthy, and exciting journey in life. God bless you.
Talking about my girl.
Happiest birthday, my Jumi. My favorite person for you. So talaga yun. Since our first interaction, even sa may online pa, nakakausap ka namin. So sa'yo talaga ako kasi super similar ng taste natin so much. Mula sa my food, gusto namin yung bread so much. We are all familiar with platonic friendship naman po, di ba? And for me, ganun kami dalawa ni Ajini. I will always value our friendship, and please always remember that I'm always here and supporting you and always got your back. I wish for your success. A happy birthday and I love you so much. Azumi, happy 18th birthday. Thank you for inviting me here. And sana nakapag-bonding pa tayo in those 2 years of senior high school. Mami-miss kita pati yung photograph natin ng PR. I'm so thankful na nakilala kita and I wish for you to receive more blessings in life and the good health. Ayun lang, good luck sa college journey mo and I wish you graduate with flying colors. Happiest birthday!
Covered in snow, but you keep me warm as the sun. I wanna share my life with you, cause you're an angel in disguise. I swear I don't want any other.
To our best girl, Azumi, happy birthday. I wish you the best in life. I love you so much and I look forward to more years of friendship with you. Love you, Azumi.
Here's where you and I make our home in the sky, and I'll hold on.
Happy birthday, Azumi!
You're my angel in the flesh.
Happy birthday, Azumi!
It's our home in the sky. Goodbye to all the troubles we could be. Letting go of all the bad things. Summer and snow, love in the sea.
Thank you for making my senior high school life memorable. I'm going to miss your everyday hug. Pag nakikita tayo sa room every morning, I love you so much and I'm always here for you. I love you. Happy Regality, Azumi. May your day be filled with love and joy. Thank you for being a good friend and a good listener.
When I have wings, when I'm with you, my love. And I wanna fly away with you out of the city state where no one is but you.
Happy birthday, Azumi! Happy birthday, Azumi!
The wings on your back. You're my angel in the flesh. I'll part the clouds to make our bed. It's our home in the sky.
Happy birthday, Azumi! Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana makatapos ka ng studies mo and yung mga pangarap mo, matupad mo. And yung advice ko naman sa'yo, yung makayanan mo lahat ng mga trials sa college life and yung pagsubok sa buhay, nandiyan lang yan. Dapat maging responsible ka.
Sa akin naman, ang wish ko lang, una-una, may takot sa Diyos. Pangalawa, pati sa magulang, may takot rin. Lahat ng bagay na gusto mo, magagapitad naman kung mabait ka lang bata. At sana, makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo, yun lang. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Ate Baby. I really love you. You are my best sister.
Happy birthday, Azumi! We love you!